Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this like pop out of the frame video effect on CapCut PC. So select your video and select mask and select circle here, and you're just going to adjust it a little bit like so. I'm just going to have the size 480 by 480. And then I'm going to copy and paste that. And then for the second one, I'm going to select cutout, and then I'm going to select auto cutout, like so. And I'm going to actually move the mask up a bit once the background has been deleted. So go back to mask and move it up here so it looks like she is out of the frame. And then you can also add a background, so go to basic on the first video, go to canvas and go to style, and you can choose from these images provided to you on CapCut, like that. I think it is super, like a super cute edit you can do, but that is it basically. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Also, one more thing, I think it is better if you use rectangle for this or the split one. I think it might be just a little bit better, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.